The new year brings fresh opportunities in SEO, and staying ahead in 2025 is all about adapting to the latest trends. Long tail keywords are crucial. Users are getting specific, searching for terms like men's Nike white shoes, size 11. This means creating content that answers detailed queries is key. Next, prioritize AI responses. With tools like ChatGPT on the rise, your content needs to be clear and conversational. Optimize with FAQs and structured data to enhance visibility. Zero-click searches are also increasing, so focus on in-depth content that addresses questions throughout the buyer's journey. And don't forget about AI search. Your content must provide real value, blending expert insights and customer stories. Social search is dominating too. People are turning to platforms like Instagram and YouTube for reviews. Share your stories visually to connect with your audience. Finally, remember the human touch. Authenticity matters. Personal observations and real life case studies will keep your brand relatable. Embrace these trends to future proof your SEO strategy.